This event is just the biggest thing for me. It's a great place to meet people. It's really exciting to be here. This is our first time joining Horizons. All in all, it was a very, very successful event for us.
This event is really unique because everybody does have a similar mindset. They're here to learn.
It's the energy, it's the culture, I think, that DroneDeploy generally has been driving, which is really positive. It aligns really well to our culture as well.
It's been nice to not only interact with folks that are in fields or verticals that we don't always get face-to-face with. Overall gives you a sense of relief that we in the drone space and in the robotic space are doing the right things and serving big customers doing big things.
They called the event Horizons, and I think that's perfect to see what's up and coming, what's on the horizon.
This DroneDeploy Horizons event has completely exceeded my expectations. It was a jam-packed couple days, and everything was more fun than the last activity. I met some amazing people, just had a great time.
Thank you for putting a great event together. Honestly, had a blast and look forward to come back next year.